I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds, and I want to tell you what an absolute pleasure it is to be in Surrey, British Columbia tonight with our good friends at the Discovery Community College. I want to tell you, the excitement tonight was unbelievable. These folks graduated, lives have been transformed, and I like meeting these folks one by one. So on that note, why don't you introduce yourself? Tell us what course you graduated from.
My name is Manit Naiker, and I graduated from the Dental Assisting Program, Level 2.
Is everybody in the same program?
Yes, we are.
So we don't need to worry about that again. We all know what program you're in. Tell me what your favorite part of the program was.
Definitely radiography, like learning about how x-rays are used and everything in dental, and how a dentist is able to see things that aren't available to the naked eye.
Wow.
Yeah.
And over to you. I want you to tell me that very first time when you were on your practicum, and it was the first time that you worked with a real person. What was that like?
Definitely scary at first, definitely. But the way we were taught was not only theory and then only not in school, but they prepared us pretty much for the real world too. So I had a little bit of knowledge, like what to expect, but still though it was a bit scary until you get hang of it. Definitely, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Now over to you. I want you to tell me, what was your favorite part of the course? What exactly, what piece of instruction, what piece of knowledge that sticks out the most?
It's definitely like meeting new people and the way just everybody helps each other. And then we also had a really great instructor. So that was my favorite part.
Okay, so let's stay on the instructor thing and over to you. Let's forget they're not over there watching at the moment. Tell me about those instructors.
The instructor?
Yeah,
She's really good. She's helping us a lot and supporting us a lot. For me, because of her, I did this one. This days, like, I'm here because of her. So I'm gonna say thank you.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good. Now over to you. I want you to think back and I want you to tell me, you know, when you were starting this course, were you nervous about doing it, and how quickly did you become sort of comfortable in the role?
Definitely, I was very nervous when we first started. I feel the switch up was very after my first practicum, just to see how actually a dental assistant changes people's lives. It doesn't seem that they would, but just the way a dental assistant runs the office, they're the backbone of the office, and just, yeah, once I saw that, it was an eye-opener.
And now over to you. What was the hardest part for you? What was the struggle for you? What did you have to get through?
In the real world?
In the course.
In the course. It would probably be definitely time managing, I would say, because it was a bit fast paced, and then you have to like catch up really fast. But after a little while, I think pretty much everyone got a hang of it, and then was good.
And now over to you. Do you think that you're ready to go to work right now? Are you all set to go?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. Are you excited to get there?
Yeah, I'm super excited to start my journey.
Yeah. You know, career colleges, they really approach learning differently. They want to make sure you get a job. They welcome you in. They break down all the barriers to learning. So over to you. What do you think makes a career college so special?
It's special because they make us like the opportunity for everyone is good. So they give us, that one is good because the community college, because like everyone can learn in the community. That was good.
Right. And now, final question is going to go to you, okay? What would you tell somebody that's looking to go back to school, looking to upgrade themselves, maybe shift their careers? What would you tell them specifically about Discovery Community College?
It's an amazing college. I would say it's a very hands-on place. I feel people here are dedicated to the college. They actually care about what they do. They go above and beyond what they do, and they actually put love and they put your interests first, and they always try to help their students as best as they can.
Well, congratulations to all of you, and thank you. A big smile because you're all
Dental assistants.
dental assistants.
Yeah.
Thank you.